Hi, I'm Jay Santa Barbara, turning 45 next month from Saraw. Age is just a number. So I stand for inspiring my generation to live healthier lives because I believe the greatest investment that we have isn't money, it's our health. Let's make health a lifestyle and not just another New Year's resolution because the best version of ourselves is starts with the choices we made today. I made mine, and this is my Superbod.
Thank you. Your question will be coming from Judge Christelle. Hi, hello. My question for you is, what are you hoping to achieve by joining this year's Superbods?
I'm joining this year's Supermoms and would like to inspire more of my friends to live a healthier lifestyle. Although I've already started with some are sending me DMs and asking for advices. And I'm not trying to be a coach, but I just like to inspire people to start their own challenges and their lifestyle changes. And because most of my friends have their own families, it's for their families, for their children as well.
Male number 10.